Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into your Google account and launching Google Earth Pro or the web app. This gives access to historical data. Once loaded, type the coordinates or place name and zoom in until terrain and structures are clear. If you use Pro, enable the historical imagery toolbar now. This is the first actionable control that shows time sliders. Make sure imagery dates appear in the status bar. If they do not, switch to a different imagery layer or verify your internet connection before continuing. Once the time slider is visible, drag it slowly to scan available dates, paying attention to gaps and clusters. This shows when imagery was captured. You should refine view with opacity and resolution settings so older images align with current base maps. This helps spot differences. Make sure to toggle layers like borders or roads off to reduce visual clutter. As you compare dates, note cloud cover, shadow angles, or seasonal vegetation. These factors explain apparent changes and guide which date is most useful. Now export the selected historical frame using Save Image or Export at the highest available resolution. Include scale, north arrow, or legend for documentation. Once exported, verify the capture date and metadata. This ensures you can cite or compare images later. If you cannot find older imagery for your location, clear the app cache, update Google Earth, or retry from a different machine. Sometimes permissions block older tiles. If problems persist, check alternative satellite archives or local GIS sources as a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.